So how do you look at your debut? It's doing very well.
When the project was introduced to me that it's going to be about sex
You have mouthed the Telugu dialogue. నేర్చుకుంది బాగు నేర్చుకుంది తెలిసింది
how do you know so many this I understood, yes. Telusu.
తెలుసు. And you didn't want to get into this profession also, if I'm not mistaken.
I wanted to. My
You want-
grandfather was not
Yeah, something you
exactly
told me, yeah.
too excited.
No, I mean, our elders do fear, but then
I
they
can
know.
imagine.
Yeah, you can imagine. Still time for you to come to know. So sex is a very good, is needed education, How do you look at that?
I think it's just been a
Hi, Mithila.
hi.
Doing so well. I've seen your journey right from the beginning.
You have actually.
Yeah, I've spoken to you earlier also, though it was a long time back.
Yes.
But I'm so happy that you're debuting with Telugu Super
you.
Sabu. I think we had come for the Netflix thing when it
Oh, you
was
did?
launched.
Yes.
Yeah,
Yes.
long back. I
Yes.
think I met the hero also.
Yes. This was when they were announcing the series.
Announcing. You were there? I didn't
was
meet
there.
you. Yeah.
I was there. But there was so much
So
happening
many,
that day.
yeah, a bouquet of actors
Yeah,
and
yeah.
actresses. I met most of them.
Oh no,
I was lucky
missed
to
meeting.
get the Insta also.
Okay.
So anyway, I also hear that you have you have mouthed the Telugu dialogue. నేర్చుకుంది బాగు నేర్చుకుంది తెలిసింది
How do you know so many this I understood, yes. Telusu.
తెలుసు గారు. I'm a Tamilian.
Oh.
Yeah, so I know all these
I
languages.
did a Tamil
yeah.
film also.
Okay.
Which also have mouthed.
Oh,
I've said my lines but I'm not
so
dubbed.
Tamil kudu nalla தெரியும்.
Konju.
கொஞ்சம் தெரியும். That means little.
Konju.
Anyway, so how do you look at your debut? It's doing very well.
It is.
Yeah.
I'm very excited. I'm so heartened that so many people love the show for what it is. It definitely has a heart. Even when the project came to me, for something like that to come out of, when the project was introduced to me that it's going to be about sex education
Yeah.
and it's going to be a comedy,
Hmm.
immediately you kind of start thinking, when a serious thing like sex education, when you introduce it with comedy, it can go either way. Like it can immediately become crass,
Yeah.
or it can then be assertive and still make a point. And it was very important to me to see how it was written, to see how it was going to be handled.
Yeah.
So until I did get a narration from Malik Ram, who is the director, and until I read the script, I was like, no, I still need to be convinced about how it's on paper. And the minute I finished reading the last word, I said, this is it. I want to do it. That's how well it was written. And yeah, I just jumped on the opportunity, and the show is doing the way it's doing. It's been 2 weeks, I would
2
want to
weeks,
think, and it's
yeah.
still in the top 10,
10 list.
Netflix
Yeah.
India.
Touch wood.
shows.
You've been always lucky, be it that cup song, be it working with what you call it, Irfan and
Irfan, so yeah.
Dulquer and all that, So you've always
I
been
have.
lucky.
I have. I truly have, ma'am. I'm glad that you bring it up. In fact, I was just talking about because I was getting asked those questions, I suddenly went onto this trip of thinking of the actors that I have been
Worked with,
fortunate to work
yeah.
with, and the list
All
is
biggies, touch wood.
touch wood.
And you didn't
really.
want to get into this profession also, if I'm not mistaken.
I wanted to. My
You want-
grandfather was not
Yeah, something you
exactly
told me, yeah.
too excited about, because I mean he always feared that first we don't know anybody, so we don't know how the systems work. I come from a middle class Marathi
Yeah,
family,
exactly,
so then
yeah.
there are a lot of apprehensions and a lot of ideas about how the industry essentially is. So he didn't feel it was safe for me to get into it. Then the other thing he feared was that once you start this, you're going to leave your education behind. So I would want you to graduate and then we'll think about it.
You
So
graduated.
I did.
Yeah.
I did. I'm a mass media graduate. So he was like, okay, now you've done this. And I full time worked with a theatre company after that, on the other side, not on stage.
Yeah, you
but,
told me.
yeah, so then he kind of saw through all of that, and then he was like, okay, fine.
No, I mean, elders do fear,
Yes,
but then
I
they
can
know.
imagine.
Yeah, you can imagine. Still time for you to come to know later on.
Yeah, I can only imagine.
You can only imagine right now. So anyway, when this three-letter word sex comes, I don't know why people. I mean, everybody, even the audience, and everybody, oh, the antenna stands by. Why don't they take it positively? Long back when I was also a lecturer in Utpal Sangvi, and I used to go to Mitibai also. So sex is a very good, is needed education. How do you look at that?
I think it's just been a what do you call it, conditioning, and because it's looked at as such a taboo,
I
as a
know.
word,
God.
as the act, that every time then somebody speaks about it, it's like, okay, no, 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 it has to be
Be
whispered, and
whispered,
you cannot.
yeah.
So, and again, sex education is not just the act of it. There's a lot of things
Things,
that are
yeah.
associated with it, your consent, women's health, and stuff like that. So I feel like a lot of those things thankfully have been spoken about in the show in a
Exactly.
very, very, very assertive, but in like with a little bit of comedy. So I'm just glad that at least people are open to listening now. I also feel like when I was in school, and I'm sure I hope that things have changed. I can't be too sure.
Yeah.
But when I was in school, when they had come to give us the period talk,
Yeah.
the boys were made to go and play sports because that's what boys do, and girls have to sit in the room and listen to this. So now, obviously, in hindsight, you feel like, why was that?
Why was that?
They
Yeah.
could have sat in the
They
room,
should also be
and they
educated.
should be educated. They should know what is happening.
Right.
So I hope that that is changing, but if not, then we have a long way to go.
I know. So, I mean, we've seen your this thing, role and all that. How much did you have to imbibe from the outside world and from the director? How did you go about it? If you would like to elaborate, because this was a very typical and very different kind of a role.
Yeah, I think completely just went with my director's gut,
Acha.
because it was important for me to trust that. I was just excited that I got an opportunity where somebody was imagining me to play a rural girl from a village in Telangana.
Telangana.
So completely out of my zone. So there are certain, like, there's certain body language. So when we were doing the look test, he made me do things like, and all of that is very
Typically that,
in from the
villager
region.
kind of
So then
gestures.
like that and all. So he
Also,
was like, you have to. There are things that he prompted, and then my job was to
you were
just be
comfortable.
the sponge and absorb it.
Yeah.
So yeah.
You were
I was.
comfortable.
I enjoyed it. I've enjoyed playing this role so much because I have heard people say that you're too urban to play a rural girl.
No, it's not like that.
But
We have
like you,
beautiful rural girls also who don't
no,
use
sure,
artificial stuff on like
sure. I
makeup
mean,
and
I
yeah.
don't think it's. I mean, from where I stand, I don't think it's more to do. It's not nothing to do with beauty. I think it's to do
Uh-huh.
with like you look urban. Like you look like if you look at we look at you, you're a city girl. But that's how you've seen me, and perhaps that's why you can't imagine me playing or being anything else but an urban girl. So I was really grateful that my director actually had that
Yeah, why did he
imagination.
choose you? It is so surprising then.
So he's been saying in interviews that I he has this quirky trait where he likes to switch things up. So if you've seen somebody in a comedy role, he wants them to play a serious role. If you've seen Sandeep Kishan also for that matter has been like really macho and like in his things, and then he's just made him a really like a guy next door,
Yes.
a meek, really unarmed guy next door. So he was like, I had that like thought, and I was like, okay, we've seen you as this girl. Let's see how you do this.
How to-
So he's been saying that in his interview. So I'm just
Interviews, yeah.
reiterating that that's how he thought about it. That maybe we can put her in this role and maybe she can. So I feel like the more I would hope and request a lot more makers to put that faith in actors like me. And what will come out of that experiment is, even as an actor I will know whether I can do it or not, because if you keep like repeatedly doing a certain kind of roles, and I enjoy playing the girl next door, absolutely, now it's completely my comfort zone, but then I will never know whether I can play something else, and the only way to know is to do so.
I know, playing varied roles. It's so nice that you are not being typecast. How do you look at this thing? Because earlier actors would get typecast. Now it
I
is not like that, and
I was for a little
for a
while.
little while. But now this. Do you think this kind of character will typecast you in this one,
I
this kind
hope
of a role?
not, but I
How
feel
will you
like
look? Take it if you get
I think
offers.
if I get offers, it'll depend on the story. So even if it is a like a girl from a village role, I would still bank on the story more than anything else. But the way I look at it now is that even in the year that I've had so far, the releases that I've had, in every film I'm playing a different kind of a role. So I'm just glad that now I have gotten these opportunities, and I hope that that'll unlock a lot more for me. So I'm just keeping my fingers crossed.
So, are you getting offers down south? Lot many offers.
Not lot many, but yeah, I have had people reach out to me after Super Sugi.
What is any best comment that you must have got from your fans and from your family and from South fans? Because their fans, they hero
Yeah.
worship. Once you are their favorite, they'll hero worship you.
They have been very kind. I think the sweetest comment, and that has been a general comment also, that it has been that we didn't see anyone else but a girl from Telangana,
Wow,
and
lovely.
that makes us feel like we can relate to you, and that's so nice to
That's
know.
so
Yeah,
nice.
that's really
Yeah.
nice to know. So yeah,
So, what about your offers in Hindi now?
they have been there. I've recently shot for a web show. We'll come back to you and talk to you about it, but I recently shot for it.
But if little bit you can elaborate about your forthcoming films, like
I
this
cannot,
web.
because they've not announced it.
Uh huh.
Also, they've not spoken about it anywhere. So until they do it, I'll not be able to mention names also that are associated. But it's a really exciting project. I hope that we get to talk about it soon. I am hoping that there will be a lot more that will follow. There are some conversations, but again, until anything is set in stone, there's no point in even mentioning
Yeah,
it.
because
So
you sign agreement and also you can't. I
yeah,
understand very well. So how, see, you began with social media. You
yes.
became this thing sensation through the social media. I remember you had told how your friend clicked and
Yes.
all those
Wow, I'm so
stories.
happy you remember our conversation. I'm so touched.
Yeah. So now how do you look at social media? No, it's changed from then to then. You were I mean appreciated, and it was positive for you. But now social media, how do you look at it?
I would
Too much
still
of negativity is also there,
I again would say that personally I've been fortunate that I
Yeah.
haven't really received a lot of hate, and my audience has always run to my rescue if ever there was a negative any negativity on my page. I think I have become more conscious about it. So this is a more personal thing, and I recently actually had a chat with my team where I'm like, suddenly I had forgotten for a minute how I started. And when I started, there was not so much thought. Even the cup song, for that matter,
I
when I
remember.
put it, it was not a strategic thing that, at this time and this hour and this day and date. It was not like that. I was really enjoying what I did, and I wanted to share it with people, and that is really what it took. That is literally how it happened. And I have forgotten that there is joy in that. There is no need to think so much before you post about yourself. Of course, when it's a brand thing, and then there are certain rules and tags, but when you're doing things for yourself, when I started, I wasn't so fearful. Now I need to be, or more than fearful, I overthink it. Like, oh my god, should I put this or should I put this photo? But in this photo, I'm not looking like that. In that photo, the light is not that great. But it's okay. Like the audience has been so kind and accepting of whatever I've chosen to share with them. and they will continue to be. I have faith in that, and I should just go with that.
Yeah, I remember olden days, Kajol and all, they were not so exposed to all this. We've been talking, we spoke to her also, and
Yeah.
other actors also olden days. But now she says, I have to be so prim and proper for airport look. I get so fed up. And every time they keep posting. So, how do you look at it? Too much of feeding, or it should be mediocre. I mean, you need to be, जो दिखता है वही बिकता है, as we say. So you need to be there, out there. So what is your opinion about it?
Yeah, but
Being
Ranbir
there.
Kapoor not being on social media is still like
He's there sometimes.
Oh,
I don't know.
is there?
I don't know. Without some, he's very smart.
I mean, I would imagine.
Without
Okay,
some
maybe
different
he's-
name or
maybe he's
whatever,
there, but
I
like
think he's there. I don't know.
maybe he's there. I don't know him
Yeah.
personally, but I'm trying to like draw a parallel that way, that but he's still relevant is what
He's-
I'm trying
yeah,
to say.
he's
That,
very-
sure,
I understand,
if from
yeah.
some secret account he is keeping tab of everything else, that's different.
Yeah.
But people can't see him on social media. He's not posting about his life. And Ranbir Kapoor is just one example that I'm stating, that at the top of my head, that I
Yeah.
know of a person who's not on
Hmm.
social media and still relevant to a lot of us. So I feel like it is really a choice. Yes, it's sounding like it's become mandatory, that also a lot of us have grown up on Instagram or
Yeah.
grown up on Facebook, grown up on
Facebook.
socials
Social,
basically.
yeah.
So or YouTube. I mean, any of those social media platforms. So then it becomes like, okay, if this is the path you've chosen, then it's good to be a little more regular, and that's what people also know you as and follow you for. So it is only fair if that is the expectation. But I have really loved the fact that my audience has not ever forced me or pushed, or I have not felt like that because of the audience that I've had, that oh my god, I have to post every day. Oh my god,
Mm.
like if I don't post every day, then are people even going to remember me? I've never
Mm.
felt that pressure. I have not had a
Urge.
release or urge. I have not had there was a time when I hadn't had a release in 2 years.
I remember.
And
yeah.
people were really concerned also, that oh my god, are you even getting work, or what are you doing? I've gotten those DMs, I've gotten those comments, but they never left my side. It didn't mean that they just unfollowed me कि अभी यहाँ कोई content नहीं आ रहा है यहाँ से. They've always stood up, they've always stood by me.
Hmm.
So I will respect that, and I will continue
Exactly.
to deal with my socials
So-
the way I started.
Yeah. So when you're not doing anything, like, what exactly are you a avid reader? What books have you read?
Unfortunately,
What
I-
are your hobbies?
I wish I was an avid reader sometimes. I really, really wish. I'm a very slow reader, so I lose patience very quickly. It's not a good thing, but I'm trying to cultivate that habit a little bit. I actually have started learning music again. So whenever I get a chance, I reach out to my friend who's been so kind and teaching me. And then I do music classes.
Wow.
I eat, I sleep. Two of my most favorite things to do. I do those.
So given a chance, you would like to, venture into singing professionally in films?
I would love to. I just right now feel like, because I sing a lot on my Instagram, people are like, हाँ गा तो लेती हो. But when you make me sing live, I become very nervous because I don't have the confidence. When I'm singing to my phone, at least I can do it a few times and then actually pick the take that I want to put out. But when I'm made to sing live, I become way more conscious. So then I want to build that confidence, because otherwise, to me, I sound like a fraud. Because to people think, oh, you can sing, so why are you pretending like नहीं मैं गा नहीं सकती. तो वो
Classical?
नहीं.
ऐसे
Classical
सीखा होगा ना?
मतलब कोशिश कर रही हूँ मैं. तो the only way to orient yourself to a scale is to learn your saregama dhani sa. So that's what I'm trying to do, but I'm not venturing into rag and all of that, because that needs a lot more discipline, and I don't want to be disrespectful of that discipline if I'm not able to give it that much time. So at least my aim and goal with singing is to orient myself to my scale and to be able to build the confidence to sing.
You've won accolades, awards in Marathi also. So are we looking at Mithila doing something in Marathi?
I would hope so. I am desperately waiting for an opportunity to come.
आमची मराठी मुलगी.
Yeah, and in fact, I've just done one project. So now I'm also feeling the itch to
Huh.
do
Huh.
a project in Marathi. So let's hope so.
People must be not. I mean, you're so lucky. You've done all the regional.
Yes.
Hindi is also regional.
Yes.
What other things you would like to do apart from OTT and films? What and if you films you clash the date clash South and Hindi? How would you choose? You'll say script.
100%, I'll say 100%. And if I'm too greedy, then I'll make the management deal with it and make sure.
I mean, all the actors, everybody of us, and professionals are greedy. You wouldn't like to miss one
Yeah,
on the
why?
other.
Why should I? I'm very like when work comes, you want to do everything.
Everything.
So I would hope that I'm able to do everything. That's the hope.
Okay, on a concluding note, you would send any message to the South uh, people, to your fans, because they hero worship you, and how are you going to go again, see them on the screen, big screen? Which director or which actor are you looking forward to work
I
with?
would not want to. First of all, I would want to say a big thank you, because you guys have been so accepting of me and accepted me playing this part. Actually, a girl
Telangana
from
girl.
Telangana, a village in Telangana, and I'm so glad that you could relate to her. And I really hope to come back and on the big screen. I don't know in which language. I hope in all of them. I don't want to limit myself to one director, so I'm not or an actor, so I'm not going to list out any names. I just hope I get the best opportunities and that you get to see me more often wherever.
Thank you.
Thank you so much.